am using. It is the Unicorn Bath Bomb, and I've had it for a while, but I haven't used it yet. So tonight is the night that I'm going to see how it does. And I wanted to record it because I don't normally record like this, but I wanted to see what it would do. So let me go ahead and get it out of the packaging, and I'm gonna put it in the water and try to record it and see if it shows up good. Hold on. Okay, so it just so happens that I actually have two Forever Fragrant bath bombs that I am going to try today because I've had it for a minute and I want to actually be able to relax and enjoy myself. So I sometimes wait until I get like a particularly stressful time. But anyway, this is so pretty. It smells so good. And of course, I love unicorns. So it's a unicorn one. Like I said, I've had it for a minute, but I wanted to wait to, it smells so good. I wanted to wait to use it until I had like a particularly stressful day, and I kind of had a stressful day today, so I'm going to use it today. And I'm also going to use another one. Let me set this one right here for just a second. I have another one. I'm going to do two today. This one right here is the Forever Fragrant one also. If you listen, both of these have a ring inside of it. So when it goes down, it's going to be a ring in a plastic bottle. It pops up from it. This one is the Queen series. It's a Queen Bath Bomb. They usually have like the crown for a ring. So I'm really excited to get into this one because it's gonna have like a ring that's looks like a crown, which is cool. I've had this one for a while as well. I ordered it a long time ago, but I hadn't used it because, like I said, I'm waiting for a special day where I'm having a particularly stressful day and I wanted to just relax or whatnot. So let's get started. Let me put this one. I'm not sure what this one is. So let's see. Look at that. Cool beans. Look at that. It's so mesmerizing for me to watch them. That's why I like bath bombs, because I love just watching them fizz. It gives me like a relaxation thing because I get like some anxiety sometimes and stressed. So when I do that, it's like really cool to look at them fizz. So cool. And I'm going to do this one along with it. And let's see how it looks alongside each other. Oh, look at that one. That one's moving all around. It's moving. Uh-oh. Sorry. Oopsie. That one's moving all around. Oh my gosh. Look at these. They're so cute. That one is like having a ball. It's like just going over and under and over and under. It's so cool. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy these and let them fizz, and then I may come back and show what the rings look like. But they're doing their work right now. Like the unicorn is so elegant and relaxed and chilling, and it's going over there off to itself. And then the queen one is just like being sassy and like moving around and stuff. Okay, I will let these run out and enjoy them completely and possibly come back to show what the actual rings look like, or I'll post a picture of what the rings look like. Okie dokie. Bye bye.